Susan invests a certain amount of money in two schemes A and B, with which offer interest at a rate of 8% and 9% annually, respectively. Then they're talking about she receives rupees 1860 as an annual interest. However, had she interchanged the amount of investment in the two schemes, she would have received rupees 20 more as an annual interest. How much money did she invest in schemes? So it's very clear. We have to take up, let the investment amount in scheme A X and scheme B rupees X and rupees 5. Right, this is the initial scenario. And the next scenario, she flipped the amount. So we'll start off with that. So what is the case? What is the given part? Actually, not the case, sorry. There are two cases. So we have been given two things. One is the interest is 8% over there and 9% over there. So we have, how do you put it? 8% interest on rupees X, right? And 9% on rupees 5 is what she gets. And the amount also, annual interest actually, is what, guys? Rupees 1860. Okay, and then we have case 2, 9% on rupees X, because she flipped the amount, is it not? And this is 8% on rupees 5. Obviously the interest will be flipping. Okay, I'm just interchanging, nothing else. And then on to the working part. So what is the funda over here? So the funda is quite simple. The annual amount is equal to interest on X plus interest on Y. That's it. Annual amount, actually annual interest. Interest on Y. And now on to talking about the cases. Case 1 and case 2. So first case is what? Annual interest is 1860 is equal to, oh yeah, by the way, here the annual interest is 60 bucks more. So annual interest, not 60, sorry, 20 rupees more, 1880. That's also important. Okay, now we have 1860 is equal to 8% on X and 9% on Y. And then we have into 100. So this is 186. 000 is equal to 8x plus 9y. That would be our equation 1. And case 2 is 1880. Here it is 9x by 100 plus 8x by 100. So same set of numbers. So we have into 100 throughout. So this would be 188000 is equal to 9x plus 8x, 8y actually. Yeah. Now what is that we have to do? Simple. Equation 1 and equation 2 elimination method. So we'll eliminate, I guess, x. Okay. So how will we do that? We have 2 into 8, or equation 1 into 8, that will be bigger. Okay, equation 1 into 8. No, wait. Yeah, no. Equation 1 into 9 minus equation 2 into 8. If you do this, expression x will be eliminated. Right? Okay. So Now the difficult part, multiplication. 9 into that big number, 186,000. So 000 by default is there. 186, I'll do it very fast. That's my method. 1674. 1674. You guys have to do it in your exam. That I won't be teaching, because this is a big fat number, just multiplication, nothing else. This would be 64 if I have it right. No, 72, sorry. Then this is 9 into, that will be 81. And here it is 8 into this number, so 64, 72, 7, 8, 15. Wait, I think I did something wrong. It is a 64 or 6, that will be 0, 1 carry, 8, 9. Wait, what am I missing? I did something wrong again. So 200 minus 72 something. No, wait, let me do this. I'm not in the right mindset. Then we have 8. What was I doing wrong? God knows. So this is equal to 872x plus 64y. Okay, so there is change in sign. Yeah, I mean, this is a pure multiplication division, guys. I can't help it. It is so. What to do? Multiplication, not division though. So 000, and we have a 0, and we have a 7, and we have a 1. So 17 something is equal to, the difference here is 64, 16, 17. Right? 80, 64 difference is 16, 81 will be 17. That's how you do it. So such things I can teach. Big multiplication and all, well, we have to do the Vedic maths or something like that, Any other trick you guys know, you can do that. But yeah, Vedic maths is something that you guys can learn. Okay, now we have y. I'm going to substitute y in 2 itself. It's over here itself. And anyways, all of those are big fat numbers. So not a big difference. And x plus, this is 80,000. And the difference is, got it. So we have x is equal to 108,000 by 9. So 1s are 2s are. This is 12, and that is, yeah, I think this makes sense. And now, so amount on scheme A is rupees 12,000. Amount on scheme B is rupees 10,000. Okay, done. I think I didn't mess it up. X is, yeah, it's correct. X and Y is that. So other than this part, I am able to suggest you guys, what will I suggest? Nothing, guys. I mean, it just see to that you understand this is the interest amount. It's not the amount plus the interest. It's not the final amount in your bank. Such questions can also come. All I have to do is I'll tell the final amount in the bank along with the interest is so much. And the question changes a lot. Your working changes a lot. The numbers become very big. But yeah, there's a way across. You just have to subtract and things. But I've not seen such question wherein they don't talk about interest. But please understand, this is interest. Till now we have been talking about such things, cost and profit and cost and loss and so on and so forth. But here it's purely interest. So directly we are writing interest, like talking about profit amount. That difference is what I want you guys to understand. So here the question is different over here in this space. It is the interest amount they're talking about, not along with the invested amount. It's not the total amount, So total is altogether, she has invested 22,000, and on this the amount will be 1860. So that amount will be altogether different. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to tell. Right? Here there is no per se cost amount, Generally you see this is similar to profit only. That's why I categorized under the same branch of videos. Please don't get confused with this part. Okay, so that is the tip for this question. If not, everything else is pure calculation.